In this video, I will compare the Solyball cooling ace against traditional air conditioning units to see if this portable alternative is truly a summer must-have. While central AC systems are known for energy-gulping costs and expensive installations, the cooling ace positions itself as a disruptive, energy-efficient choice for cooling individual rooms. Looking at the design, it features a futuristic bladeless construction with an upgraded motor that produces only 20 decibels of sound, which is significantly quieter than a typical library setting. In terms of price, a single unit retails for $59.99, presenting a massive upfront saving compared to hundreds or thousands spent on HVAC systems. The trade-off is focused cooling versus whole-house cooling. This device is meant to be placed on a desk or mounted on a wall for immediate relief. It offers 3 distinct settings, ranging from a basic cool breeze to a high-intensity freeze mode for instant temperature drops. You can even bundle and save up to 40% if you buy 4 units to place throughout your home. Unlike bulky window units that require heavy lifting, this is compact and portable enough to move from the kitchen to the bedroom as needed. If you are tired of soaring electricity bills and want a low-maintenance way to stay chilled, this could be your best option for the season. Let me know in the comments if you prefer portable chillers over central air. If you found this comparison helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more tech reviews to help you beat the heat.